All right, welcome everybody. Before I get started, I'd like to just introduce myself and our project, and then tell you a little bit about what we're going to be doing in these tutorial videos. So first of all, my name is Dan. I'm the project founder of Fauna in Focus. For those of you that don't know, Fauna in Focus is a very small environmental education and wildlife conservation nonprofit. We do our work in three main areas, and that is nature discovery, environmental education, and wildlife media. We've been around since 2015, but only as a real officially registered NGO in Cambodia. Fauna in Focus Cambodia registered in 2017, and Fauna in Focus International as a 501c3 in 2018. So we're still a very small startup nonprofit, but we've done a lot in a few short years. Including launching the first Cambodian nature film, running wildlife club programs and environmental education workshops. And we have recently opened the first nature discovery center in Siem Reap, Cambodia. So in these programs, what we're intending to do with them is provide a free resource for others working in the conservation sector to kind of quickly and efficiently learn some of the tips and tricks that we use on a day-to-day basis. So Fauna in Focus is a pretty tech-savvy NGO. We're big into using media and technology in a efficient way to kind of do our mission. Of course, our mission is to improve knowledge of and attitudes towards wildlife, raise support for conservation, and improve capacities in the conservation sector, as well as to help build a new generation of nature lovers and conservation leaders here in Cambodia, where it's so badly needed. So in these videos, what we're going to be doing is basically sharing some kind of short lessons on different subjects. And these will all be freely available on our website for anybody to look at and study. And essentially, we're going to go through some basic computer use situations to kind of help various conservation organizations and leaders be a little bit more efficient and professional in the way that they work, in the 21st century. Obviously, with everybody stuck inside for the COVID-19 situation, we thought this would be a great time to kind of put together some of these tutorial videos and tips and tricks videos. So each video should be labeled clearly with what is the task that we're going to be introducing, and we'll kind of move through different sections. So the first few videos are going to be kind of just basic computer use to help you guys just work faster and better and smarter with modern technology. And so, at later points in time, we'll add some more advanced things. We're already working on some longer courses that will be available online in more advanced conservation science topics like GIS and camera trapping and wildlife monitoring, animal behavior, so on. But for now, we're just focusing on the kind of shorter, simple lessons that you guys can use to be more professional conservation leaders. And so we'll cover administration and project management and some fundraising tips. We'll do tutorials on Excel and formulas and using Google and different modern technologies to be better workers in the conservation sector. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and please do feel free to share this webpage and these videos with anybody that you like. And enjoy.